Today's term. Unlock the word. Errands, errands, errands. Meaning: short trips to do something or get something done, usually outside the house. Example: buying milk from the store, posting a letter, going to the market. Sentence: I went to the market to do some errands for my mom. Comment: who usually runs errands in your family? Comment me. Question: what is the difference between chores and errands? Can you give examples of each? Idiom: break. Break a sweat. Meaning: to do something that needs physical effort. Sentence: I broke a sweat while cleaning my room. Comment: have you ever broken a sweat while doing your chores? What were you doing? Stay connected for more fun learning and useful vocabulary. Until next time, don't forget to watch my other videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.